Congratulations, Mr. Samprit, for completing the 5 years with the Dot Workplace Solutions Private Limited. Thank you so much for your dedication and support.
Congratulations to both Sushant and Nitin to have completed their 5 years with Dot Workplace. It's been a double whammy as both are from design team, and they have been a very good anchor for the design team, and their continued support will help the other team members also to gear up and own up at that level. Also, we wish you a very bright future and hope that you associate with everybody, and then it helps everybody grow as well with your knowledge and expertise in this field.
थैंक्स मैडम, 5 साल आपको बधाई देते हैं डॉट वर्कप्लेस तरफ से। मतलब परफॉर्मेंस के साथ 5 साल करते करते सर वो अच्छा लगती है। मैडम अच्छी है, हर चीज़ मानती है। मतलब हम लोग को तरह अपने बच्चे की तरह समझती है मैडम, कभी हम लोग को गैर नहीं समझी मैडम आज तक।
Hi, I need to congratulate to the Sushant sir. Due to he has completed the 5 years in the Dot Workplace Solutions, and he's contributed many things in the Dot Workplace Solution, mainly in the Silent Hub. He's contributed his more, and he's really hard worker. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೋನಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೂಪರ್ವೈಸರು. ಬಟ್ 4 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು. ಏನೇ ಬಂದರೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನೇ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಏನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಓಕೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Congrats Samprit for completing 5 years in Dot Workplace. So have had a very close interaction with Samprit. So since he is setting projects and I'm heading planning, so we used to have a close interaction. So he's a very proactive person in terms of his work role, and we maintain a good relationship. So I wish Samprit all the best, and I hope to see more years in Dot Workplace and have a bright future.
Congratulations Nitin Anna for completing the 5 years in this Dot Workplace company. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಈ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನಿತಿನ್ ಅಣ್ಣ.
Hi Prabha ma'am. First, congratulations for 5 years completion in our company, Dot Workplace Solutions Private Limited. I feel you're good. You're supporting the employees, workers. Whenever the importance is needed, you're giving your heart, willing in the work. So first, that is, please have a success in the future and have a great career further also. Thank you.
Congratulations Sony sir for completing 5 years with Dot Workplace family, and it's a great journey and like opportunity for us to working with you and getting the more of experience and knowledge on the whole production and all the engineering things and also. So thank you sir for completing 5 years.